Okay, okay. Yeah, yeah. She like, where do I even start? Like, I feel like everyone has completely like misjudged me like the past. Habiba Gabasha? Yes.
I understand very well. እኔ I can understand English very well. Don't worry. እኔ በደንብ ይገባኛል እንግሊዝኛ። እኔ እተረጉምላቸዋለሁ። አንቺ ፊል ፍሪ እና የፈለግሽውን ከባድ ነው የምትይውን እንግሊዝኛ ተጠቅመሽ አውሪ። እኔ ተርጉም ያሳይሻል። ኦኬ?
Okay. Okay. I feel like everyone has misjudged me like the past week. I just want to say, like, I respect my mother, but I feel like everyone thinks that I brought her on social media first, but it was really my mom who came to social media first.
Okay.
And
little let me translate little, okay?
Okay.
ኦኬ አሁን ያለችው እኔ ፊል እየተሰማኝ ያለው ሁሉም ሰው እየፈረደብኝ ነው። እኔ እናቴን ማላከብር መስሏቸዋል፣ ግን እኔ እናቴን በጣም አከብራለሁ እና እናቴን ሶሻል ሚዲያ ቀድሜ እኔ ያመጣኋት መስሏቸው ነበረ። ግን እኔ አይደለሁም እናቴን መጀመሪያ ቀድሜ ሶሻል ሚዲያ ያመጣኋትኝ፣ እሷ ናት ቀድማ የመጣችው አለች። ከዛ ተረጉማለሁ። ቴንክ ዩ
Yeah. And I feel like the reason it's not about me wanting like a boyfriend, it's really because of politics, and that's why like she wants me to have a boyfriend, but this is all I feel like she's hiding most of her story behind politics. Like this is politics. Like she told me that I could have a boyfriend like in America. She say like, okay, I have a boyfriend in America. So the whole reason why it started is because my mom has like some political things, and what happened is Alex did not disrespect her first. My mom started like all of this first. Like she came to social media because I decided to leave, and she like did a lot of things to Alex which people don't understand. Like whatever people are saying, Habiba, they're saying, oh, like not this Gebang. Like of course that's my mom, that is my mom, but you guys have to like, no matter if someone is my father, my mother, my brother, my sister, like if someone is in the wrong, like they should be held accountable for that, period. Like I feel like if my mom was peaceful from the beginning, like none of this would be on social media. That's the thing. That's what I feel like. But like nobody understands that. So yeah.
Okay, let me translate and we will continue, okay?
Okay.
ጉዳዩ የቦይፍሬንድ ምናምን ጉዳይ አይደለም። እናቴ ፖለቲካ ነው እያለች ማለት ወደ ፖለቲካ አዙራብኝ ነው። ቢሃይንድ ስቶሪ ምንድነው? ከኋላዋ የደበቀችው የፖለቲካ ነገር አለ እንጂ የቦይፍሬንድ ጉዳይ አይደለም። እና እናንተ እናት ስለሆነች ብቻ ትክክል ናት ትላላችሁ። ግን አንድ ሰው እናት ሆነ አባት ሆነ ማንም ሆነ ትክክል ካልሆነ ትክክል አይደለህም ነው መባል ያለበት። እናት ስለሆነች ብቻ በደፈናው ትክክል ናት ማለት የለባችሁም። ፌር
Yeah. No, like also I want for everyone to like understand that I'm 20, like any like Lij Idolin, like I'm of course like Benat, okay, it's always your child, but guys, I am a net, I am Ferenj, oh my gosh, I am like Asra Simmons Bola, like Lijoch, like Sira Ali, like you know, like they have their own lives. That's the thing. Like even my mom, she left like Asra Sabat. She left earlier than me.
She left her family when she was 17.
Not left like not in a bad way, but I'm saying she started her own life when like Asra Sabat Boala. Any hiring, like I respect my mom truly, but I feel like that's the thing about me. I know like Hulum Habesha Sowich, like at the end of the day, like parents are parents and nobody wants to like tell them, oh, this is what I want to do. But me, I'm not afraid of like telling my mom that I want to have my own life. I'm not afraid of doing that. So I'm just saying, like, it's not that serious. Like, relationship wise, it's not that serious. Okay, I have a boyfriend. Every person, like, what person doesn't go out and find love themselves? What person? You know? Everyone has the right. If I was a child, I would understand.
Everyone
okay,
has
my
a
mom
right to choose whatever he wants.
Yes, if any like listening, I would understand. Okay, my mom, she's protecting me. This. But I feel like I have to learn myself. Like, even if it's the wrong thing, even if this guy is gonna leave me in 2 years, why can't I find that out myself? Why do I have to have people tell me not to learn my mistakes? You know?
Yeah, I understand.
Well,
ቴል ደም ያልሽውን መጀመሪያ ልተርጉምላቸው። እንትን እኔ 20 ዓመቴ ነው፣ ትልቅ ነኝ፣ እኔ ፈረንጅ ነኝ። እኛ እዚህ አሜሪካ እኔ የምኖርበት ሀገር 18 ዓመት ከሞላው በኋላ አንድ ሰው ከቤት ወጥቶ ይሰራል፣ የፈለገውን ህይወት ይኖራል። እናቴ እንኳን በ17 ዓመቷ ነው ከቤተሰቦቿ ጋር በጥሩ ሁኔታ፣ በመጥፎ ተጣልታ ምናምን ሳይሆን በጥሩ ሁኔታ የወጣችው። እና እኔ ትልቅ እኮ ነኝ፣ እኔ እኮ 21 ዓመት ሊሆነኝ ነው አሁን። እና ለምን የራሴን ህይወት የመኖር መብት አይኖረኝም? ለምን እንደማንኛውም ሰው የፈለኩትን መርጬ መኖር አልችልም? ስህተትም ከሆነ ለምን አልሞክርም? ሞክሬ ተሳስቼ ከስህተቴ ለምን አልማርም? ለምን እንድሳሳ አይፈቀድልኝም? ኖ በያታቡ እንዴ! ለምን ይሄማ ባገነንነት ነው። እንዴት ነው ናታለው?
No, but anyways, the main point of it is, like, everyone is just saying my mom is protecting me, but I feel like from the beginning, like, I just wanted peace between both of them. Like, that's all I want. From now on, like, I want my mom and Alex to be in peace. That's all I want. Whether it's politics, whether it's, oh, like, I'm still young and things like that, why can't they talk to each other, like, in private? My mom came to social media first. That's I don't care what anybody says. Everyone says that, oh, I put my mom on live. Guys, my mom told me to go live, and I was put in a situation where everyone just saw it, and now everyone's fighting with each other. My mom came to social media first. That's that.
Did you know that, guys? Her mom, she came first. እናቴ ናት መጀመሪያ ሶሻል ሚዲያ ላይ መጥታ ጉዳዩን የተናገረችው፣ እኔ አይደለሁም። አብዛኞቻችሁ እየፈረዳችሁብኝ ነው። እናትሽን ሶሻል ሚዲያ ላይ አመጣሽ እያላችሁኝ ነው። እኔ ግን አይደለሁም ያመጣኋት፣ እናቴ ናት ቀድማ የመጣችው።
Eswa, guys, Eswa Masrat, like, Amist fake account, just Sidib Alex Betiseb. It's my mom. She, like, I understand from my mom's side, I understand she's trying to protect me, but she reported him to the embassy, and she made, like, so much accounts. She sent people to bully me on the internet. She did all of these things. And that's why now I'm on live explaining myself. So, yeah, that's that. So
ሌሎችን የምትመክሪውን ለምን እሷን አትመክሪያትም? ኦኬ፣ ሌሎችን የምመክራቸው ከማያከብራችሁ፣ ከማይወዳችሁ፣ ከእናንተ ገንዘብ ከሚፈልግ ወንድ ጋር አትሆኑ ነው የምለው። ስለዚህ እሷን ልጠይቃት፣ ያከብርሻል፣ ገንዘብ ትሰጪዋለሽ ወይ ብዬ ልጠይቃት። እንደዛ ከሆነ አይሆንሽም ብዬ እነግራታለሁ። ገንዘብ
show us evidence. Guys, I have a cross around my neck. When I tell you guys,
did you ever give money to Alex? Did you ever give money to Alex? You sent him money?
Well, one time I gifted him, but that was, like, my decision. But he does not have any control of anything. Like, I do all my stuff myself. So, yeah. But
ገንዘብ ሰጥቼው አላውቅም፣ ጊፍት ሰጥቼው አውቃለሁ እንጂ ገንዘቤን እኔ ነኝ የሚይዘው። እሱ ስለኔ ገንዘብ አይመለከተውም።
Yeah, but anyways, I just want my mom, whatever people don't believe me, they don't, that's not my problem. But, like, now I just want peace between both of them. And I know, like, she's posting things and things like that. I just want her to be in peace with him. That's all I want. I'm not asking for anything more. That's all.
ምፈልገው እናቴና አሌክስ ሰላም እንዲሆኑ እንዲታረቁልኝ ብቻ ነው ምፈልገው። እኔ ሌላ ምንም አልፈልግም እና ይሄንን ተባበሩኝ የኢትዮጵያ ህዝቦች። አሌክስን እና እናቴን አስታርቁልኝ። ይሄንን ነው ምፈልገው ነው እያለች ያለችው። all I want is Alex and my mom to be peace, right? That's what
yes, that's all. That's all. That's literally all I want. I don't know. Everyone's fighting. I don't like. It's too stressful. Seriously.
ያ እሷ በጣም ስትረስፉል ሆኛለሁ። እኔ በጣም እየተጨነኩ ነው። በመሀል ቤት እሷ በጣም እየተጨነቀች ነው። እናቷና ፍቅረኛዋ ሰላም ስላልሆኑ እሷ ሰላም አይደለችም። ኦኬ። ሌላው ደግሞ በደፈናው ልጅ ስለሆነች ብቻ የምትፈርዱባትን ነገር ጥሩ አይደለም። መፍረድ በአጠቃላይ ጥሩ አይደለም። አትፍረዱባት። ማናችንም በሷ እድሜ ያልፈናል። ፋየር ኤጅ ነው ያለችው። እድሜዋ ነው። ፍቅረኛ አላት። ሶ ቤተሰብ ነው አለ ኢትስ ኦኬ ኖርማል ነው። ይሄ በሁላችንም ዘንድ የምናልፈው ነገር ነው። ያልፋል። ይሄም ጊዜ ያልፋል። ኦኬ ሶ እቺ ልጅ ነገር የሆነ ነገር ብትሆን በስትረስ ጭንቅላቷ ቢታመም የሆነ ነገር ብትሆን እኛው ነን የምናዝነው። ዜጋችን ኢትዮጵያዊ እህታችን ናት። ልናዝንላት ይገባል። ሶ አሁን ማድረግ ያለብን አንድና አንድ እናትና ልጅን ማስታረቅ፣ አሌክስና እናትን ማስታረቅ። Only that you want?
Yeah, I mean, like, what else is there to say? Like,
anything else you want?
Literally, yeah, nothing else. Like, I don't know. I feel like there's so much lies. Like, see, again, if I try to say something, everyone's gonna say, no, still, she's your mom. This, like, no matter, even if my mom did wrong things.
1 second. What you said? መረጃ እናቷ አርጋለች ሚሉትን ምንድነው? እናቷ አርጋለች ምንም እናቴ ምንም አርጋለች ያለችው ነገር የለም። እናቴ ናት ቀድማ ሶሻል ሚዲያ ላይ የመጣችው። ለዛ ነው መረጃ የምጠይቃት። ለዛ እናትየው ስትመጣ እኔ አይደለሁም ቀድሜ ሶሻል ሚዲያ ላይ የመጣሁትኝ ዴዚ ናት ቀድማ ሶሻል ሚዲያ ላይ ወጣችሁ ካለች at that time እኔ ዴዚን I need proof ላታለሁኝ። ኦኬ ሶ ይታረቃሉ። ሰይጣን ያፍራል። እነሱ እናትና ልጅ ይታረቁና ሰይጣን ያፍራል። ይታረቃሉ። ሁላቸውም ይታረቃሉ፣ ይስማማሉ።
Yeah, and also, Habiba, also, like, people kept saying, like, oh, I called the police on my mom, things like that. Guys, she stole my passport. So as an American, like, Asra Simmons Boala, like, you cannot have your children's, you cannot control them. That's it. Like, there's Hulet mindset, Habesha mindset, gen any Gemashnechning. I'm not scared to tell my mom that she's in the wrong. That's the difference with me. I'm not scared. So, the only reason I wanted to get the police
involved. She's the one that raised you like this to be strong. That's good. That's why I'm scared to tell your mom she's wrong. It's okay.
Exactly.
Even our moms, they make mistake. They are human.
Yeah, exactly.
They can make mistake. Mom is not God. She's not perfect. She can make mistake, no problem. When my mom, she make mistake, I can tell her, mommy, this is wrong.
Yes. Yeah.
She cannot be perfect only because she's a mother.
Exactly.
And the other thing, when I remember, I will tell you.
Yeah. But, yeah.
Okay, now the other, yes, don't listen anybody when they told you call police to your mother. That is very bad. Don't listen to them.
Yeah, no. And also I see comments saying that like I'm in her house. Guys, I left her house. I left her household. I am starting my own life here. She followed me to this state. She came back this time to steal my passport. She is the one following me. I'm not in her care anymore, guys. I'm not. So, me trying to start my own life, she's the one trying to follow me. It's not me. It's not me at all. So, stop saying that, people.
Don't listen negative people, okay? You and your mom gonna be okay. You will be fine. And Alex and your mom also, they will be peace. Don't worry. Don't listen negative people.
I mean, how when
እንግሊዘኛ ፕሊስ የሆነ እንግሊዘኛ የሚናገር ሰው ከኋላ ይቀራሉ። አሁን የሚያወሩ የሚያቦኩ ባንቺና በእናትሽ መሃል ገብተው የሚያቦኩ የሚያባሉ ሁሉ እናንተ ታርቃችሁ እነሱ መሃል ይቀራሉ የሚለው በእንግሊዘኛ ምንድነው? ያውሩ እነሱ። አይኒ እኔ እኮ ቤተሰቦቼ ይዛኔ ተማሪ ተይ ሲሉኝ ክፋት መስሎኝ ባለ መማሪ እኮ ነው።
አቡዬ ይቅርታ፣ ከሷ ወገን ወይ ካንቺ ወገን ለምን እንዳታስገቢ? ወይ ከእናቷ ወገን
እንግሊዝኛ 100% ገብቶኛል። የኔን በእንግሊዝኛ ስሜት የሚነግርልኝ አንድ ሰው ፈልጋለሁ።
ከእናቷ ወገን እኔ የእናቷ ወገን ነኝ፣ እኔ ላስተርጉም የሚል ይግባ። በቃ የእናቷ ወገን።
እሺ ምንድነው ወገን? ማንም ሰው ምንድነው ወገን? ምንድነው አልገባኝም። ወገን ብሄር ምናምን ልትሉ እንዳይሆን ወገን ምናምን የምትሉት
ሳይሆን እናቷ የሚደግፉ ምናምን አሉ አይደለም? የእሷ ይግቡና ያስተርጉሙ።
ማንም ሰው ይምጣና ይተርጉም። ልጄማ ተኝቷል እንጂ ተረጉምልኝ ነበር። ነገ ጠዋት ትምህርት ስላለው ተኝቷል። በዚህ እኮ ሰዓት ሄዷል። አሁን 9 ሰዓት ተኩል እኮ ነው ጋይስ። እስቲ እኔ እንግሊዘኛ ተረጉማለሁ። ይሄ በተለይ አሁን ያልኩትን ቃል ባንቺና በእናትሽ መሀል ገብተው የሚያቦኩ ሰዎች በኋላ እናንተ ታርቃችሁ እነሱ መሀል ይቀራሉ ሚልልኝ። ተማለች እኮ አማርኛ እንዲህ ከበባዱን አትሰማም ወይ? ቀስ እያልኩ ቃላት እየቆራረጥኩ ልንገራት። I can't do that። እስቲ ማን ነው ሚ? እሺ እንግሊዘኛ የሚያርፍ የለም። ይሄ ፍላወር የሚልከው ሰው ይሆን? እሱ ይችላል። እሺ ናግባ እስቲ።
ሴት ነኝ ባይ ዘ ወይ ይባላለሁ።
የወንድ ፕሮፋይል ስለሆነ ነው። ሶሪ።
ኧረ ወንድ አይደለም ሴት ነው። ሱፍ ስለለበስኩ ነው። ችግር የለም።
ወይኔ ይቅርታ። ሶሪ። እሺ
ችግር የለም። እኔ መሀላችሁ እንግሊዘኛውን ትንሽ ሞክራለሁ።
እሺ እኔ እኮ ሀቢባ ሴት ልጅ አለሽ ተይ ብለሽ ምከሪያት ማለት እኔ እንደዚህ እንት አባገነን አይደለሁም። ሴት ልጄ ኑኑ ነገ አድጋ ፍቅረኛ ስትይዝ ኦኬ አይ ሪስፔክት አረግላታለሁ። ፍቅረኛዋን ሰው ብቻ ይሁን ሰው እስከሆነ ድረስ አከብርላታለሁ። ምርጫዋን አከብርላታለሁ። የሴት ልጄን አምባገነን አይደለሁም። ታቆኛላችሁ በደንብ አድርጌ እና ተይ ለምን እላታለሁ። ከመሬት ተነስቼ ከምን አንጻር ተይ ልበላት? ከምን አንጻር ከምን ገንዘቧን ነው የሚፈልገው ካላችሁ እሺ ገንዘብ ትሰጪዋለሽ ወይ ብዬ ጠየቅኳት። ገንዘብ ትሰጪዋለሽ ወይ ብዬ ጠየቅኳት አይደል? አልሰጠሁምትም ገንዘብ አለች።
አይ ችግር የለውም እንፈታዋለን። ትርጓሜን እኔ ተረጉምልሻለሁ። እንዳያስወጡኝ ሞዴሬተር ወይ ስጭኝ ወይ ምናምን ነገር አንቺ አውሪ እናንተ አውሩ። እኔ ኒውትራል በሆነ ነገር ተረጉምልሻለሁ። ችግር የለውም። ሃይ ዴንስ።
እሺ እንደዚህ በይልኝ። የማንንም ኔጌቲቭ እናትሽ ላይ ፖሊስ ጥሪ፣ እናትሽን እንዲያርጊ እያሉ የሚመክሩሽን ኔጌቲቭ ሰዎች አትስሚ። አንቺና እናትሽ ታርቃችሁ ነገ እነሱ መሀል ይቀራሉ። እናትሽ ናት፣ አትቆራረጡም በይልኝ።
Okay, Daisy, Habiba say that don't listen to anybody who tells you call police on your mom, do this, do that. Everybody will be behind you and your mom. Always gonna be together. So please do not. And I want to add too. It's like I know you're American, but it's not Ethiopian culture too. So
I'm not.
Yeah, I understand. But basically, what she's saying is, try to solve the problem without involving a police. Because once you involve a police, you know, it's not good for your mom to...
You need passport. I mean, what do I do? What am I supposed to do with this?
If your passport left, you don't have the passport, you can go to...
A new passport, no problem.
You can apply.
Okay.
Oh, I'm doing that.
Yeah, even
no,
like...
but at the end of the day,
you want to be fine with your mom, right? You want to be...
I want to say one thing. I never called the police on my mom. That's I was going to, but I did not. Out of respect for her, I did not. I swear to God, I did not. So everybody can stop saying that I called the police on her. Yes, I was live. I said, "Oh, I'm gonna call the police," but that was just my feelings and my reaction. But at the end of the day, I did not call them.
Good. That's good.
That's it.
Good girl. ይሄንን ባለማድረግሽ ነገ ብታደርጊው ኖሮ በንዴት ሰዓት ብታደርጊው ኖሮ ትጸጸቺ ነበር በይልኝ።
Okay. Habiba said that if you had called the police on your mom, regardless of how upset you were, that you would have regretted as you get older because like, you know, we all are on your age. I'm older than you for sure. But she said that calling a police, now you emotionally call the police, they're gonna put a record on her, you know, her social security number. So that would be very bad for your mom. She might not even get a retirement, you know?
Yeah, that's why I didn't call them.
So Habiba say, thank you so much for doing that.
Yeah.
ስለዚህ አሁን እንዲህ በይልኝ ሌላ የምትፈልጊው ከእናትሽ ጋር ከመታረቅና እናትሽንና አሌክስን ከማስታረቅ ውጪ የምትፈልጊው ነገር አለ ወይ እንድንሰማሽ የምትፈልጊው ነገር አለ ወይ?
All right. So Daisy, Habiba say that is there anything else that you need to let the Ethiopia people, the Habesha people, the Eritrea people that support you, you know, that really push for you? That's not only Ethiopian, all Habesha. I see you sometimes. We all were very disturbed by your situation. She's saying that is there anything else besides having a peace with your mom and Alex and your mom? Is there anything else you want to let us know? Especially Habiba, she really want to help you, so just let her know.
Yeah, so like also I want people to know like I didn't leave just because of a guy. I did not leave just because of a guy. Like at the end of the day, unless anybody has lived in a toxic household, physical and mental abuse, like I don't want to hear anyone's opinion about why I left, because if you guys were never in a toxic household, like you guys would never understand why someone would leave. Like why did I wait 20 years? Okay, like some people don't leave until they're ready, by the way. Like it was not just because of a guy. I left because I was mentally disturbed by everything going on. And that's my right as a 20-year-old. I can move out. I can start my own life. I can start working. I can do all of that if I want to. So that's that. And as of my mom coming on social media, my mom came on social media first. It was not me. She made fake accounts. She's sending people to bully me. She's telling people I take medication. She's telling people I send like balagay photos. She is saying all of this stuff about me, so I'm doing nothing but trying to explain myself. That's all.
Okay. Okay. Let me translate this and then you'll add more, okay? So that way, you know, they have a clear understanding. She's saying that Habiba,
እኔ እኮ ስሜቴን መግለጽ ማድረሱ ነው እንጂ ከበደኝ እሷ ሙሉ የተናገረችው ገብቶኛል።
እሺ አሁን ምን ታረጋለሽ መሰለሽ አንቺ ከገባሽ እያስተረጎምሽ እኔ ጥያቄ ብቻ ነው የምጠይቀው መሀላችሁ አልገባም።
ጥሩ እኮ ይኸውላችሁ እኔ ቤት የለቀኩበት ምክንያት ምንም ሆነ አይደለም ለቦይፍሬንድ ብላ አይደለም ለራሷ ሰላም ፈልጋ ትልቅ